This is a simple keto ginger shot recipe for digestion and immune support, and it's a great option if you're doing low carb. So, here are the main ingredients: there's ginger, lemon, turmeric, powdered sweetener, avocado oil, and water. If you have organic ginger, just go ahead and wash them and keep the peels. However, I didn't buy organic for this recipe, so I'm going to be peeling mine with a spoon and also cutting them into smaller pieces. Next is lemon. I've seen some people keep the rinds. Again, if it's organic, go ahead and keep it. I'm just going to carefully slice off the rinds and cut it up into quarter chunks. I know I'm showing a mini chopper here. This was a mistake that I decided to keep in the video, and you'll see why. But first, we'll pour in the water, ginger, lemon, and turmeric. Go ahead and blend. Now, I do recommend going with a regular food processor or blender. This machine, however, only holds 3 cups, so I made a bit of a mess. Use a fine mesh strainer to filter out the pulp and large pieces. Add the avocado oil, powdered sweetener, and optionally a pinch of salt and some pepper. The avocado oil and pepper help your body absorb the turmeric better. Whisk it all together. I have some cute little mason jars that I found at the local dollar store that hold the perfect amount. Chill in the fridge before serving. And one last thing, if you're having this with a meal that already includes some healthy fats, you can totally skip the avocado oil and still get the turmeric benefits. Also, a light sprinkle of cinnamon on top when you drink it is totally optional, but it could add a cozy little flavor boost if you're into that. Full recipe link is in the description. Follow for more, and I'll see you soon.